What is up guys, it's another site. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can connect your Discord to your n8n. So first, you need to head over to your n8n's website, and then you need to create a new workflow. After that, you need to click on add first step and then search for Discord. And after searching for Discord, you can choose any of the action. I'll go with get a message. And after that, here you can see you have the connection type. You have three types of connection with OAuth 2, with Webhook, and with bot token. I'll go with bot token. And then from here, you need to click on the select credential and then create new credential. After that, you will require a bot token. Now to get the bot token, you just simply need to click on this open docs, and then in the new tab, it will open the documents. From here, you need to scroll down, and then in the using bot section, you will see the developer portal. Click on this link, and then in the new tab, the Discord developer portal will open. And after that, you need to name your application. And after naming the application, you need to check this checkbox and then click on create. And after clicking on create, you need to confirm that you are a human. As you can see here, this is the bot section. So you need to click on it, and then here you will see the token section. So just simply click on this reset token button and then click on yes, do it. And after that, you need to enter your Discord's password. And after entering your Discord password, you will generate a new token here. So just simply copy that token, head back to n8n, and then paste it here in the bot token. And here is the another way which you can connect. So I have chosen Webhook, and then I'll click on select credential and then create new credential. And after that, here you can see this is the Webhook URL. So you just simply need to copy it, and then here in the Discord developer, you just need to enter your endpoint URL. And after entering your endpoint URL, you just simply need to enter the same URL here and then save it to connect your Discord with your n8n. So that was it for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.